What's something people don't know about the Poco X7? It can rock low-light photos with just a few tweaks. Step 1. Enable night mode. Open your camera app and find the night mode option, usually marked with a moon icon. Steady your phone against a solid surface or use a tripod to prevent blurry shots. Next, use external lighting. Your phone's flashlight can help with close subjects. Or position your subject near a light source like a street lamp. Avoid using the built-in flash as it can create harsh shadows. Now let's talk camera settings. Lowering the ISO can reduce noise but might darken the image. Experiment with different ISO settings to find the best balance. A slower shutter speed lets in more light but keep your hands steady to avoid motion blur. Tap to focus, especially in low light. Consider third-party apps like G-Cam or Open Camera for better performance and manual controls. Finally, clean your lens with a microfiber cloth. A clean lens makes a noticeable difference, especially in low light.